Shelter falling as a light becoming golden, trees that all as ready and now unfolding. Autumn leaves embracing, soon they all must fall. Summer green erasing on the winter's fall, and here once again familiar thoughts I wander to the west, and the living earth I wander. Fading days of oldness, soon the darkness lost. Spirit fire grows louder in my heart and soul. Even when shadows lengthen, when